Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to automate email marketing with Klaviyo. First, we'll head over to the Klaviyo website. You will need to sign up. I already have an account, so I will click on login instead. Once you have created an account, you'll be brought to your dashboard. Today, we are solely focusing on just the emails, so I'll go into the section called Flows. You can select the Create Welcome series, which will give you a very simple template, but for this video, I will build one from scratch, so I will choose Build Your Own. Again, we will be given some more templates here, but I will simply just click on Build Your Own again. I will choose a name. For this one, I'll just choose Welcome. And you can select tags, but I'll just leave it blank for now. And then I will click Create Flow. Okay, so to begin, you want to create a trigger. This is so when a person does a specific action, like being added to a newsletter, for example, they will automatically receive an email. I will click on All Triggers over here on the right, and click Add to List. From here, I will click on the email list and click on Save. I'll click Confirm and Save. And now you can see our trigger has been added. So when someone is added to the email list, or aka a newsletter, they will be sent this email chain. So now basically from here, the possibilities are endless. For this example, I will select email and drag it below the trigger. This means that once the trigger has happened, the person will automatically receive an email. If you click on the email, you'll be able to see you can customize it completely to your liking. You can also select from templates and choose from any of the options, or select Create Blank Email, which will allow you to customize your own email. But for this example, I'm just going to leave it as it is, so I'm just going to go back to my flows. You'll see I have this yellow box. This is just because I created a separate account with a Gmail account, so it's not really recognizing that I'm part of a company, but you shouldn't have this as long as you are with a business account. Okay, so once you have your email, I will make mine, for example, a welcome email. That will be the name of this one, and the subject will be welcome to our business, and then I'll put, for example, the preview text welcome. So I'll click save, and now you can see it's changed completely. So now I have this email created, which is when someone gets added to our newsletter. Now I have other options, for example, time delay and conditional split. So I'm going to use conditional split. Conditional split is just basically you can set a condition. So you'll see here from the drop down the different conditions. For this example, I'm just going to use what someone has done or not done. This basically means that, for example, if a person has, let's say, opened an email at least once in, let's say, over all time. So since the email has been sent, if a person has indeed opened the email, they will, for example, be sent another email. So for this, I can put, let's say, check out this product. So they've opened our welcome email, and now, due to the conditional split, they will be sent this email, which is check out this product. And then we can put, for example, like an example product, or a product that maybe sells out a lot. Okay, and now for the other side, for the no, I will put a time delay. So what a time delay is basically if the specific action has not been done within 7 days of the email being sent, then they will receive this email. So this email I will put doubting whether to buy from us. Check out our customer feedback. And then obviously I will add in maybe like Trustpilot if we have a Trustpilot, or anything else that may show the customer the reviews, and then click save. And then from there, basically we have a very simple flow setup, and this is all done automated. Once you are happy with basically your flow, with all the emails that you've put, and if you're happy with all the templates, etc., you'll want to come up here to the top right where it says review and turn on, and click on review and turn on. I have this yellow box. That's just like I said previously because I signed up with a Gmail account, but you can leave the action to live and click on turn on, and then from there you should have all the emails set up. Now once someone signs up to your newsletter, they will automatically receive that first email. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching.